Today, we're looking into the world of camping gear with our ultimate guide to the best tent pegs and stakes. Because, whether you're a seasoned camper or a newbie to the great outdoors, having the right tent pegs and stakes can make or break your camping experience. In this video, we'll be showcasing our top pick and providing expert reviews to help you make the best choice for your next adventure. Let's start with the various types of tent pegs or stakes. Stake tent pegs. These traditional tent pegs are typically made of lightweight materials such as aluminum or plastic and come in a variety of lengths and designs for different terrains. Snow, sand tent pegs. These specialized pegs are designed with wider and flatter heads to prevent them from sinking into soft surfaces like snow or sand, offering reliable anchoring in winter or beach camping situations. Screw-in tent pegs. Also known as corkscrew or spiral pegs, these pegs have a twisted design that allows them to be easily screwed into the ground, providing strong anchoring for tents. V-shaped tent pegs. These pegs have a unique V-shaped design that offers increased stability and holding power, making them suitable for securing tents in windy conditions. Y-shaped tent pegs. Similar to V-shaped pegs, these pegs have a Y-shaped design with multiple points for anchoring, providing extra security for tents in challenging terrain. Nail tent pegs. These pegs feature a nail-like design with a pointed end for easy penetration into the ground, offering excellent holding power in various soil types. Our choice is the nail peg. The advantage of nail tent pegs over other types of tent pegs is their exceptional holding power in various terrain. And using these, you will never need any other tent peg or stake. Due to their longer length and nail-like design, these pegs can penetrate deeper into the ground, providing a more secure anchor for your tent even in loose or soft soil. This increased stability makes nail tent pegs ideal for windy conditions or when camping in sandy or loose terrain where other stakes may struggle to stay put. Additionally, their sturdy construction and ability to withstand strong winds make them a reliable choice for campers looking for peace of mind during their outdoor adventures. James says,
"These steel tent pegs are absolutely brilliant. They are very strong and will penetrate really hard ground. Don't waste your money on the plastic-topped ones, these are very strong and have a hole to remove easily. They get a 110% endorsement from me. You won't be disappointed with these pegs. I love them, and I am going to buy some more. Because my tent and windbreak stood strong in 45 miles per hour winds, unlike others. I highly recommend these pegs."
It's simple, nail tent pegs stand out as the wise choice for campers seeking reliable and secure anchoring for their tents. With their pointed nail-like design, these pegs offer exceptional holding power in a variety of terrains, penetrating deep into the ground for increased stability. Whether camping in windy conditions, soft soil, or challenging terrain, nail pegs provide peace of mind knowing that your tent is securely anchored. The durability and ability to withstand strong winds make them a versatile and practical option for outdoor enthusiasts looking for a dependable solution to keep their shelter in place during their adventures. When it comes to choosing the best tent pegs or stakes that you can trust, nail pegs emerge as the smart and reliable choice for your camping needs. This is why I use them. For more reviews and options, click the link below this video. Now,